All right, so for number 7 on our list, it's time to expand our vocabulary again. We've worked on understanding rhythms, we've worked on playing time, we worked on counting bars while we play our time. Now we're going to learn a little loop that's really common in music. It's a 4-bar pattern where you play time for 3 bars, and on the 4th bar you play what we call a fill. So a fill is something that drummers do to kind of break up the monotony of just playing time over and over again, and usually it's to communicate something. Sometimes it might be to communicate that you're going to repeat an idea and do it again, and sometimes it might be to communicate that you're going off into a new idea. So we're going to try some exercises that incorporate playing time and adding fills, specifically in a cycle where we play time for 3 bars and then play fill for 1 bar, having a nice round 4-bar cycle. So let's bring it to the instrument. Alright, so now that we're at the drum set, let's try to put that pattern together. So we're going to be playing time for 3 bars, 3 times around, and then we're going to play a simple fill. Our first fill we're going to play is really, really easy to remember. We're just going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and across our drums. Now if you don't have 3 toms, you could always double up on the last one. You could go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or come back around to the snare. So learning to adapt to your drum set is always a good skill to work on, because sometimes drum sets will have more pieces or less pieces. So let's give it a try. We'll be playing time for 3 bars and then doing our fill for 1 bar. We're going to loop that around. Also, if we can, it'd be really nice to include crashes like we talked about when we were counting bars before. If we can start with a crash, and then whenever we start a new loop, we'll do that crash as well. And when we end the very last time, we'll do that. So let's just try one set first. We'll go 3 bars time, 1 bar fill, and then we'll end on a crash like this. 2, 3, 4. So there it is. Let's try doing 2 sets of that. 2, 3, 4. So again, whenever I play with my students, I think it's really important for them to not just copy, but to be able to do that on their own. So from here, we're going to switch over, and I'm going to play a little bass guitar and give you a chance to try to play that pattern along with me at home. So let's move on to that. So here we go. Cool. Let's do one more of those. Same thing.